Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, we'll see and try to fix if Google Keyboard Translate is not working. So I'll open the WhatsApp conversation of one of mine and see here this is the Gboard or the Google Keyboard, and right on the top I have Google Translate. If you don't have this option, for example, if your keyboard is looking something like this, the first thing you need to do to bring up Google Translate is you need to click on this more options, and here you will find this Google Translate option. See, G Translate or the Google Translate. Drag and drop and place it on the top and click on this back symbol. So you will find this Google Translate. Check whether it is not working or it is working. I need to tap on this. See, detect the language and change it to Dutch language. So what I'll say is, hello, how are you? I'll just type it a basic text, and it is making the text to be translated in Dutch language as the set language is Dutch. I'll check whether it is working. I'll change to some other language. I'll change it to Spanish. Hola, como estos? Okay. So for me, it is working. For by any chance, if your Google Translate is not working or responding on your phone, the first thing you need to check is Google Keyboard. Yeah, settings. You need to enter into the Google Keyboard settings, and you need to clear the cache and data of the Google Keyboard. I'll show you. You need to click on your phone settings, then click on apps, then click on app management. Here find gboard. Yeah, gboard is here. I'll just enter into storage usage, and I'll clear the cache and clear the data. Okay, once you do this step, just check whether Google Translate is working or not. So as I cleared all my data, all my settings are gone. So what I'll do is here, use Google Translate. As I cleared the cache, it will restart from the starting. So by doing these steps, maximum your problem gets resolved. Okay. Hi, how are you? See, Google keyboard is working. If this step also didn't help you, you can open Play Store and check whether there is any update for the Gboard. If there is any update for the Gboard, see, yeah, you can uninstall this app and reinstall it and set the Gboard as the default keyboard so that it works fine. By doing these two simple steps, you can fix this issue of Google Translate is not working on the Gboard. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.